Today we are going to cover first what's the primary color, second how to get secondary color, third how to get an abstract effect on the background. For this, and I prepare three of primary color, this red, yellow, blue. And if someone bought paint kits from class 101, you can use this yellow, magenta instead red, and ultramarine tip. Okay, let's get started. Start with red. This is red. Clean the brush. This is blue. This is three primary color, and then we're gonna mix secondary color. First get red a little bit, and then clean the brush. Add little bit of yellow, a little more red. This is orange. Orange, and clean the brush. Yellow mix. Little bit of clean the brush again. And then a little bit of blue. This is green. So I want to make a little bit thicker than this color. So this is green. Clean the brush, and red mix blue. Some of red, and clean the brush again. Some of blue. This is purple. So we called this is red, yellow, blue. We called primary color, orange, green, purple. These are secondary color. Okay, and then if you can mix these color, you can another beautiful color you can make it. Here, just to practice. Okay, move on to painting. I will be back. Notice in the background the flowers looks blurry, so we will not these flowers in detail, only the color and feel of the flower. Okay, are we ready? It will be a new adventure. Let's make the color first and mix red and some yellow to make a reddish orange. Okay, reddish orange, and apply water first 2 or 3 times with background. This masking fluid all dried, so you can cover water, doesn't matter. I mixture these two kind of blue, so background, the top of the background area, this is ultramarine. This is the first layer, and still paper very much wet, and then you can tilt the paper. Wow. Okay, I want to add all kind of orange and orange mix yellow, so this cornflower color is reddish orange. Some part very blurry. Some flowers in the distance. And then one more tilt the paper. This is a sap green. I'm gonna mix ultramarine. I'm going to change a big brush. I want a little more bluish color on near the flower. Okay, tilt paper again, back and forth. Too much water, so take off. I'm going to mix sap green and ultramarine deep. I want to get very darkest and thin color. We are adding this bluish green on the underneath flowers, it making these flowers to stand out. If the background are colors as all one of density, the painting looks simple and elementary, right? So if you add number 4 and number 5 density colors, the painting becomes more advanced. We are still using wet on wet techniques. So this paper is still wet and colors are spreading by themselves. Brush stroke move down to upside. It's gonna be flowers leaves. So next class we will paint in detail on background again. Clean the brush. I want some flowers put in here, but I don't want to try detail just to make it blurry, but flowers there. Here is a small flower in distance. And so draw these petals with orange number 3 density. Here are flowers too. This is vermilion. I'm adding more colors on the flower blurry area. Small flower here. Take some ultramarine and cobalt blue. Paint on the around the flower and draw stem and leaves. This is a stem. This is a small stem. And tilt the paper for spreading colors to look nature. Okay, now we will know what to expect. In the next class, we will remove the masking fluid and paint the flowers. See you next time. Bye.